All right, quick overview of the exhaust heat deflectors and the blast gate for the Footbox fresh air vent. So I've got the sheet metal pieces here, used rivet nuts to stand it off from the footwall. On the back side of this heat deflector, you can't see it, but I've got a thermal shield. It's the coolant mat on the back of that. Sheet metal piece holding the front up here, so it's off the header coming off there. 3-inch blast gate that'll connect up to the fan unit here, which is controlled by a switch on the dash, and then the rest of the hose will run up to the front to the nose. Here's how I have the pull cable routing. So mounted here, I'm a little worried if I have to adjust the door hinge, it may hit, so I may look at shifting this stuff over and putting it right here if I need to. It should be pretty straightforward to do that. Cable comes up here, secured there and there, and here's how it works. Pretty straightforward. And now over to the passenger side.